Influx review and bonuses. How to make about $100 a day or more. Hello, this is George here, and so this is the review. What we're going to do is we're going to go through Influx here, and we're going to take a quick look at the sales page. We're going to go over some custom bonuses, and we're going to dive in to see actually how all this works. This is the there's a launch now, so when I'm recording this, there's about 12 hours left. Earn $100 a day. This is kind of cool. You've gone through this, testimonials and all that. So let's move real quick into the bonuses real fast. So here are George's insane bonuses here for Influx. And the bonuses here are going to last a couple days. So you've got about 2 days, at least when this is recorded here. What is Influx all about? It has training videos that will teach how to use Frankie's traffic sources to make $100 a day. And the best thing about this that I think is that the people out there don't have to buy anything. They're just downloading stuff and taking a look at stuff. So there is 6 different buy-ins here. The front end, which is $13, $12.95. You get the software and then the training. And then the first upsell here is Frankie tells you how to discover additional methods to double profits with your system and the list building. The second upsell here for $47, it's more like a done for you. And what it has here is follow-up scenes, campaigns, and so forth. You'll also get here like 4 done for you campaigns to actually use as your own. You can also have this step-by-step training, and it's pretty good. So the next thing here is the traffic co-op. Everybody knows that you can have the fantastic offer, you can have the best program, but if there's no traffic, if nobody sees it, if no one's walking into your storefront, hey, you know what? So this here, it's a nonstop flood of traffic. So expect that for $97. The fourth thing here for $77 is you'll be able to resell this. So if you like what you see and you're making some money here and you want to resell it to some other people you know, hey, this gives you the rights to resell it as your own, so you can keep all of the profit. The masterclass for $197. This is advanced traffic, and you know how these things. It's the holy grail to get everything going, where you can have your Facebook pixels on the pages and all year long, retargeted audiences, all kinds of cool stuff. So here are some key benefits to different kind of system that I've seen, being able to make some money off of people downloading stuff that they don't really have to buy or open up their wallet, and that's usually a big holdup. I like taking things for free. I'm sure you're like that too. Nothing but free traffic, so there's no paid ads here. 3 easy steps, get this thing going very fast, full training, and some VIP support. Now, the custom bonuses from me and my buddy Jono here, this one here, the first one is valued at $427, and this is a product called Gemini. It's a hack to access all-in-one kind of the Gemini product. Bonus number 2 here is for $46.95 here. It's how to build your Facebook following fast. And everyone knows organic traffic, all that stuff, it's popular right now. For $345 here, this next one is how to build your website. Now, most people have websites, some people don't, and they're really a pain in the butt because you've got to update them. What do you do? Where do you put it? Well, this here in 3 easy steps will get your website up and going. For another $267, bonus number 4, well, this is not extra money, but it's valued at that because these are all free, is your CPA, is how to access high-ticket CPA courses. So we want to be able to get this cost per action and get people clicking on your stuff. And this is another free bonus. The number 5, you're valued at $197, is the special bonuses that the vendor is going to give you. All that stuff is included. no matter which level you get from Influx, you'll have all these bonuses here. This will be delivered on Warrior Plus. There's some instructions on how to retrieve that. And here you got my website down below there. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like inside. So this is what it's going to look like when you get into your membership. And the thing about this is that if you bought the front end, you're going to create your login, okay? Then what happens after that is that if you get one of the upgrades, you're going to need to create another login and another login for all the different upgrades that you end up getting. So here, my email, and I'm going to log in for you guys already have an account. Okay, so this is when you first log in here, you're going to see this. And a lot of these videos, what I really liked is they're short. Like this video here is only a couple minutes. That's my kid in the background. They're only a couple minutes long. And so the nice thing about this is that it's really kind of simple, and a lot of these videos here are short. This one's only a couple minutes here. Introduction, of course. But then as you go over through these, the overview, they just kind of break down. There's not a lot of difficult stuff here. What there is, though, when you start going into these offers, because what this whole program is about is finding products for people that they like, that they don't actually have to buy, but they're just kind of clicking and downloading, and you get paid on that. So when you do this search, there's going to be some third parties here where you're going to actually, when you go and select the different offers, you're going to need to create another login. So that, I don't like more logins, and more logins. That's kind of what I don't like here. Landing page creation. Again, these videos are relatively short, and they're hosted on YouTube, so that's, you watch them on your phone pretty easily and all that. Watch them later on in your history. So let's go to the extra bonuses. You click on the bottom here and you get to the extra bonuses. So these are the extra bonuses that you're going to get from the inside from Influx. You're going to get these when you buy that, including mine. You're going to get these also. So over here, brand new system leverages advances in technology, all this other stuff, piggyback, capture. I'm not going to go into this a lot here, but what's really kind of cool about the software is it is really simple. What I like about this is that customers really don't have to buy anything in order to for you to make some money. And what I don't like about this is that you have to continue making more logins and more logins for each different, when you upgrade and so forth. And that's really kind of the downside of that. So I hope you like this. If you enjoyed it, click down below and you will get some of my bonuses. And you'll get all the bonuses if you decide to go forward with it. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day and go out there and make some money.